what we can do is we can change this from a flash, which is just on off, to a timed flash. Which way we do that is we go playback options, select the playback we want. Then if we go to the flash fade out, and set it to, I don't know, 0.5 seconds. Then if we go to the handle, for the first time on any show file, you need to create a new. You can just set that to fade. And then if you go to grey key, then you can set it to a timed flash. And what that does is it takes half a second to then fade out, like that. These touch keys are these keys on the Titan Mobile. What latch means is that when you click them, it's on. When you click them again, it switches off. So if you want to have that, so you have to hold it, you go to just add new and call it hold or holf, which you can't spell. And if you go black key as well to just flash, and touch key as well to flash, then that is that sorted. So I just set all of these to have a 0.5 second fade out on each of them. And then I can set this to fade and this to fade as well. And they will take half a second to fade out.